Assalamu alaikum, this is me Rabia and today we are writing forward counting from 41 to 50. 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. Let's start writing. 41, 41. What comes after 41? 4, 2, 42. What comes after 42? 4, 3, 43. What comes after 43? 4, 4, 44. What comes after 44? 4, 5, 45. What comes after 45? 4, 6, 46. What comes after 46? 4, 7, 47. What comes after 47? 4, 8, 48. And what comes after 48? 4, 9, 49. And what comes after 49? 50, 50. We will write 5 in the tens box and 0 in the unit box below the 9. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.